Welcome back to Master 79. In this lesson we tackle an ielts writing task 1 describing 2 bar charts, and we build a full band 9 model answer step by step. Here is the task. The bar charts give information about the salaries and university fees of students from 3 universities in 2 spheres, law and business. We must summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Let us read the data. All figures are in thousands of dollars. The red bars show average salaries, and the blue bars show the fees students pay across universities A, B, and C, first for law and then for business. Before writing, a Band 9 candidate spends a minute planning. Here is how to read these charts. First, what to notice. In almost every case, fees are equal to or higher than salaries, so students never earn more than they pay. The only tie is university in law, where both are $40,000. The widest gaps are University B in law and University C in business. Then, how to group it. 1 paragraph for law, 1 for business, and an overview with no specific figures. Our essay has 4 parts. An introduction that paraphrases the task, an overview with no specific figures, a first body paragraph on law, and a second on business. The introduction. The 2 bar charts compare the average salaries earned by students and the tuition fees they paid in thousands of dollars at 3 universities, A, B, and C, across 2 academic spheres, law and business. The overview. Overall, fees were consistently equal to or higher than the salaries students earned, so at no institution did earnings exceed the cost of study. The disparity between fees and salaries was widest at University B in law and University C in business. Body paragraph 1, law. University was unique, with salaries and fees identical at $40,000. Students at universities B and C paid substantially more than they earned. At B, fees climbed to $60,000 while salaries stayed at $40,000, and at C, fees of $54,000 outstripped earnings of $38,000. Body paragraph 2, business. A similar pattern emerged, with fees surpassing salaries at all 3 universities. Students at A earned only $30,000 but paid $40,000. Those at B faced a comparable gap of $10,000, 40 against 50,000. The largest difference was at C, where fees reached $60,000 compared with a salary of $40,000. Why this scores Band 9. Task achievement, a clear overview and accurate data. Coherence, logical grouping by sphere. Lexical resource, precise comparison language. And grammatical range, complex structures used accurately. One honest note, Band 9 here reflects our own assessment against the public ielts descriptors, not a certified examiner score. That is a complete Band 9 walkthrough. If this helps, subscribe to Master 79 for more ielts practice.